Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Abdul, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a YouTube ad that convert. So if this is your first time on my channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that you can be notified each time I drop a new video. On this channel, I teach people how to make money online from affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, drop shipping, and e-commerce. So if I drop a new video, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification icon, you are going to be notified each time I drop a new video. With that said, let's quickly look at how we can create a YouTube ad that convert. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is to make sure that you've create your Google ad account. And so to create a Google ad account, I am going to leave a link in the description whereby you're going to watch a video that will teach you how to create your own Google ad account that look like this one. Then another thing you need to do is to make sure that you have set up your Google custom conversion, because it is very important, as we are going to create a YouTube ad for conversion, to track conversions on our website. So first thing you need to do is to create your Google ad, and the second thing you need to do is to make sure that you create a custom conversion. So after that, then log into your account, and the next thing you're going to do here is to click on the campaign here at the left side. Here you will see a campaign. Click on it, and then you will see a plus here. All right, so click on the plus so that you can be able to create a new campaign. Click on it, and then you will see new campaign. Click on new campaign. Good. Right now Google has a lot of objective here. They have sales objective, lead objective, website traffic objective, and so on and so forth. All right, but the one we are going to select here is create a campaign without a goal guidance, so that we can be able to set up many things that would make our ad look professional. Okay, so select on this particular one, and then under the select a campaign type here. So we are going to create a YouTube ad. Remember, so what we wanted to create here is a YouTube ad. So we have to select on this video here, video. You can see reach and engage viewers on YouTube and across the world. Okay, click on it. Good. So under this place, they are going to tell us to select a campaign subtype. So here, remember, what we wanted to achieve here is to drive conversion. So we have to scroll down and click on drive conversion. All right, and then scroll down. As you can see, I already have some conversion on my account, and that is why it is loading here. All right, that is why it is loading here. So it is loading those conversion that I already have on my account here. Okay, so if you have already created your own conversion, then everything is going to display here. All right, so the next thing we are going to do right now is to click on continue, so that we can set up our ad. So as you can see here, the type video, the type here, the type of campaign that I wanted to create here is a video campaign. All right, so scroll down here, and then under the bid strategy here, leave it at maximize conversions. So leave it like that, don't touch it. Okay, and then under the budget and date here, so I normally use a daily budget here. So, and then here is where you will enter your budget. So for the purpose of this training, I would like to use $5 as my budget. And then if you want your ad to stop on a specific date, you could set that up here. You could just click on edit here. All right, and then you set the date here. But I would like to run my ad continuously, so for that reason, and I'm not going to select any date here. Okay, so the next thing we have to do right now is to scroll down under this location. We have the options to select the country that we want our ad to show. So if you wanted to target the whole world, you can leave it at this all countries and territories. If you want to target only your country, right now, as you can see, you are seeing Nigeria here because I am creating this ad from Nigeria. So if you are creating this ad from Ghana, Kenya, Cameroon, your own country is going to display here. And if you don't want to target your country, if you want to target another country, you can say order, enter another country. So just click on it and then enter the country that you wanted to target. Let's say I wanted to target a country like United States. and then it will bring it out for me. Then click on target. Good. Right now we have successfully selected United States as our target country. Okay, so scroll down. So under the language here, you can leave it like this. Okay, you can leave it on the default, and then scroll down, down. So under the inventory type, you can just click on it and make sure it is on this standard inventory. Okay, it is the one recommended by Google. All right, and then under the exclude type and label here, so you could just leave that one. All right, you could just leave it and scroll down. So under the site link extension here, you will see site link extension. So if you don't have any site link extension, then you're not going to see anything here. But I already have site link extension for on my own account, and that is why you are seeing it here. So if you don't have a site link extension, to create the site link extension, you could just click on new site link extension. Just click on it, and then under the site link one, you have the option to enter the site link there. Okay, you could just say free email marketing, and then you enter your URL here. Your URL means your final URL means your landing page. So let's say this is the landing page that I wanted to drive traffic to. Okay, you could just copy the landing page and put it here. So you could just scroll down and create the second site link, put the name of anything you want to show there. Maybe you know, you can say something like easy to get started, right? Easy to get started, and put the same final URL here. Then you could just scroll down again and say ship email marketing, right? You just say something like that and put the final URL here again, right? Then scroll down again to create the fourth site link. You just say start free trial now. You just say start your free trial now, right? Then remember to put the final URL here. Okay, so this is going to help your ad to convert better. All right, so once you are done, just click on save. Good, we have successfully created our site link here. All right, so once you're done with your site link, then the next thing you need to do right now is to scroll down. So you would come to this place that says you know, create your ad group. So you would come to a place that says create your ad group. So under the ad group, you have to name your ad group here. So you could say something like your email ad group, right? Because this ad group is for email marketing. So we're trying to advertise an email marketing here, remember? So you could just scroll down. And under the demographics here is where we are going to select the age and the parental status and you know, household income. So you could just click on it, and then so you could say something like, okay, I want my ad to show to male and female, unknown status. I wouldn't want my ad to show to anybody that is unknown. So you could decide to show your ad to people that are within 25 to 34, 35 to 40 something, and 60 and 65 plus. Okay, I could just click on unknown because I don't know them. Okay, so under the parent here, you could say you want to show your ad to a non-parent and parents, those unknown people. Okay, you could just leave it like that, because even a single person could be an unknown to Google. You understand what I'm talking about? So once you are done from that area, you could just, under the audience segment, you could just click on the drop down here like this, and then Yeah, well, you could just leave this place like this, okay, and then use optimize targeting. Yes, you could just leave this place like this, okay, and then scroll down to create your ad. Okay, scroll down to create your ad, or under the advanced settings, you could just click on advanced settings to set up your keywords. Okay, setting up keywords sometimes help you, okay, because if anybody go to YouTube and type keywords, your ad is going to show up to them. Okay, so you could just click on the drop down here and say something like let's say you want to say something like email marketing, free email marketing software, how to start email marketing. So you could just put some keyword like this, all right, and then under the topic you could leave it, right, you could leave the topic, and then under the placement you could leave it so that Google could help you to find the best placement for your ad. Or you can select under the placement, you can say you want to show your ad on YouTube video, all right. So, or you can leave it empty so that Google can help you to select the best placement for your ad. All right. So once you're done, come down here and under the create your ad video. So this is where you are going to add your video, the kind of video that you wanted to advertise on YouTube. And the video must be something related to your product and your services, what you wanted to advertise, what you want to drive traffic, for. The video must be something related to that. So let's say I already have my video here, all right. I can let's say I wanted to use this my video to for the ad. All I need to do is to just click on it to get the link. Okay, if you already have your video, you can
Here
upload
is
YouTube channel.
465.
You can upload the video to your YouTube channel and then copy the link. So once you copy the link, come back to your Google Ad account here and paste the link here. All right, so this is the video here. As you can see, this is the video here. Okay, so all we are going to do right now is to customize it to make sure that everything looks beautiful. So here Google said we should enter our final URL, which means if anybody click on our ad from YouTube, where they are going to land, that is what they mean by a final URL. So this is going to be our final URL, a link to this post. Okay, you could copy the link and come back to your Google Ad account and paste the link here. All right, and then under the display part you could put something like free email and say something like marketing here. All right, this is good. Now these are going to show up. Okay, so scroll down and then you're going to select your call to action here. Select your call to action. You could say sign up, learn more, watch now, start now, book now, download now, the same way it is subscribe now, the same way it is on Facebook. Okay, so I would like to say something like maybe I would like to select something like um mm, I like to select something like sign up now. Okay, because I want people to sign up, so I can get my own commission as an athlete. You understand? But whatever you're promoting, if you're promoting an e-commerce product, you can say shop now or anything. But I would like to, for the purpose of this training, I would like to select sign up. Okay, so this is where you're going to enter your headline. This is where you are going to enter your headline. Okay, so your headline can say okay, you can enter a free headline here. It's something like free email. All right, free email tool. Yes, you can search free email here. This is how it's going to look like, and then this is how the sign up button is going to be added. All right, and then under the long description here, you could say um click here to start. Okay, you could say something like, are you Are you looking for the best email marketing software? Right? Then say something like are you looking for the best email marketing software? Then you can scroll down here under the description too, and say something like oh my goodness, what is happening? Then say something like okay, click here to see the list of free email marketing software. Yes, okay, because our target here is to bring people. So this is going to be this is where the description is going to appear. So you can see, look at how the description appear. Okay, click here to see the list of free email. All right, so our target here is to bring people to our website to read about the the email marketing and to choose the best one that suits their business. All right, so that is why we have to say something that will capture their attention in order they can click on our ad to come to our website to read about the best email marketing that will suit their online business. Okay, so once you are done with the headline and description, all you need to do right now is to scroll down, and then under the auto generate using your channel banner, so which means this image that is showing here like this. If you want to change this image, all you need to do is to just click on upload an image. You can click on upload an image, so you can choose file, then you can upload the image, and then the image will start showing here. Okay, the image will start showing. Let's say you've created an image, you can create an image on Canva and design it, customize it, put whatever that you wanted to put to make sure it look captivative. So after that, you could just come here and click on upload an image to upload that image so that the image can start showing instead of this one here. Okay, so after that, scroll down and under the ad name, ad set name, you could just say ad set one. Yes, they're still very good, very okay. So you could leave it at ad set one. And then that is all. Okay, you can check everything again to make sure that you did not make mistake. All right, so you could check everything again and again to make sure that you did not make mistake, to make sure that you set up everything professionally. Okay, here as you can see, this is what I'm saying. We did not name our ad here, so the the campaign name should be email marketing, right? So we are supposed to write email marketing here as the name of our campaign, but we forgot. Okay, so make sure you check your own very well before you click on submit. Okay, we're targeting United States here, so the language here is well set up, and everything, the site link here is well set up, and everything is perfectly set up right now. So all we need to do is to click on create campaign. Okay, create campaign. All right, so it will bring you to a page that looks like this one. Okay, so they will ask you to click on continue to campaign. Good. Right now we have successfully created our campaign here, as you can see here, video conversion. Okay, so guys, that is how easily it is to create a YouTube ad that will convert for your business. So if you like this video, please kindly click on the like button and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be notified each time I drop a new video. So that is all about that for now, and have a wonderful day.